Making video is really time consuming. It takes me hours. I don't really have time for that. That's what Lucy wrote to me. Maybe you recognize it and you think video marketing is way too time consuming. I'm here today to tell you you can do it quickly as well, and even better, I will give you a 5-step plan for that. I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people that you want to meet the most. So subscribe to this channel because I will help you make your company and services visible to your future clients. It really is okay if making a video takes more time than writing a blog post or a LinkedIn post, because video also has way more impact. It's not wasted time, but you have more to do. And if making a video takes you a whole day, then it's time to change the way you make them. And I have a 5-step plan for you to start doing this a lot faster. Step 1 is that you write a script for every video you make from now on. And in that script you write down roughly what you're going to say in that video. Step 2, when you're writing your script, imagine talking to someone who really wants to know what you have to say. But they also have more to do and limited time. So make sure to tell your viewers upfront why they should watch your video. Step 3, before you record your video, read your script out loud a couple of times, because that will make it a lot easier to say it when you actually record the video. Step 4, it's your job to be yourself as much as you can in front of the camera when you record the video. Please don't act like a TV presenter or an influencer, just be yourself. To make it easy, you can imagine you're talking to a friend that really wants to know what you have to tell. Step 5 is that you record your video in chunks. So don't do the whole thing at once. Just go through your script and divide it up and record your video in parts. 5 steps might sound like a lot, but this way you can make a great video in well under an hour. And it feels a lot better than if you just spontaneously blather something into the camera and afterwards criticize what you did so much that you might never even post the video. With the 5 steps you make a video that you are proud of. Have you remembered all the 5 steps? Well, maybe not, but there's a PDF and you can download it through the link in the description with this video. So go there, download your PDF, print it out and keep it handy when you're working on your videos. And if you want to know a great way for a start of your video, a start that will capture your viewers until the end of the video, just watch this video.